face. I'm the
Okay.
face. This guy's the face.
Okay, you are the face, and nice to meet Robert. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Robert Chu, and I'm the development manager for Model Manager.
Okay, great. Can you show us the model manager?
Yeah,
Or
Model
maybe-
Manager's right here.
Okay.
Okay, Chris, would you take it over?
Sure, I can show you. If
Yeah,
you
go
want me
ahead.
to introduce myself, I can. Otherwise,
Okay. Please introduce
so
yourself.
hi,
and
I'm Chris Stevens. I'm the product manager for SaaS Model Manager.
okay,
So I'm
let's.
actually showing a customer of ours, Model Manager, right now.
Okay.
Melody.
Hello.
She's now an internet celebrity with the rest of us. So we're walking through Model Manager. At the highest level in Model Manager, what we're doing is organizing your information by project. So essentially, a project is meant to address one single business problem. How do I get more customers for loans? How do I reduce churn? Whatever that, reduce the risk in my organization, whatever that might be. A project correlates one-to-one with some business problem. And eventually, as we get into that project, there would be a model that is used to address that problem. In this case, I actually have two candidate models that I've brought into Model Manager to assess which of these two models better addresses my problem. So I have two models here. I've chosen one as my champion, as indicated by my check here. So this is the model that I've decided better fits my problem, and I want to deploy out into production to start scoring customers against whatever my problem might have been.
Okay.
And so Model Manager, once I've chosen this model as my champion, gives me a lot of capabilities around reporting, where I can do some reporting to compare how my two models look against one another. In this case, I've created a lift report comparing multiple models. In this case, my two candidates. I had a regression and a decision tree, and I can see how those two look against one another. The intent is that this information, along with other pieces of statistical merit down here, will help me determine which of these two models really better fits the problem that I'm trying to solve. Again, once I've decided that, I make this my champion. With my champion model in place, what I want to do next is deploy a model out for scoring. Model Manager will then allow me to do is to create a scoring task that I can deploy in many different ways. I could deploy this scoring task into SaaS, publish it in the SaaS channel, into the metadata, into the repository. Or, one of the nicest features in my mind with Model Manager is we take advantage of the scoring accelerator
Yeah.
that we offer for Teradata, DB2, and Netezza today. Some of these are actually not quite in general release. For example, with DB2 but with Teradata, you could take a model from SaaS that you've done the work we just described in registering and doing comparisons, generate a scoring function in Teradata using your database credentials here, log in to Teradata, and create a Teradata scoring function natively into the database.
Thank you
So
very
I'm
much.
publishing directly from Model Manager into Teradata.
Let's wrap it up.
So once my model's in place, then I can do some performance monitoring around that to determine how well my model is continuing to fit the problem once it's out
Yeah.
into production.
Okay. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.